At a 390 mm diameter, zinc sulfide becomes highly susceptible to thermal gradients and structural deformation. Maintaining an RMS less than 0.66 microns across this surface area is a rigorous battle against residual material stress. We overcome these challenges through deterministic manufacturing. By precisely calibrating tool dwell times and environmental variables, we neutralize local surface errors and ensure consistent removal rates across the entire clear aperture. Mass production requires more than capacity. It requires a stable, repeatable process. Our facility is optimized to replicate these sub-micron tolerances across high-volume batches, delivering reliable yields for large-format IR applications. Scale your IR systems with total metrological confidence. Experience the reliability of precision at volume. Avantier, empowering optical innovations.